it's Wendy here again from Toonpish Crafts, and I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm going to be doing Easter bunnies. Now everybody loves Easter. I love Easter because of the chocolate eggs. Maybe I should love it a bit more than that for different reasons. Anyway, you gotta love chocolate, ain't you? But I do love the Easter bunny. Now I don't actually know where the Easter bunny come from, but I did find these two moulds on Etsy. And they are Easter bunny moulds that you can put an egg in the middle of. Now I thought these were absolutely stunning. I've seen other people on Facebook make these, and I just thought I had to do them. I had to. Why would I not do Easter bunnies? So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to have a go at some Easter bunnies. I might make a few of them. I probably will make a few of them actually. And yeah, they're going to hold Cadbury's cream eggs or something similar of that shape. Let's see how I get on. To start with, I had to do a white rabbit. I had a white rabbit when I was a little girl called Benji, a lop-eared albino. He was absolutely gorgeous, and he was a big part of my life as I was growing up. So white rabbit had to be, in memory of little Benji. Now at this point I did notice that the mould on the right was sagging in the middle. On the next ones I did actually put a stick behind it just to stop it from sagging in the middle. This is one of those things, I'm guessing, but it worked. Use my micro brush to get rid of all the edge bubbles. Wherever there's a right angle, you're more than likely to get bubbles trapped. So those little micro brushes really do work wonders. And just topping up the mould. I will link everything I've used in the description below. I'll link the moulds as well, obviously, and all the colours. And as I've got some resin left over, I'm going to do those stars. If you have any questions, by all means, write them in the comments section. I'll always get back to anyone that puts a comment in. And 24 hours later then, time to demould. Gotta love demoulding day. Little stars are adorable, they're so cute. And the carrot is shiny in that mould, while the rest is matte. Needs a bit of a trim up, do a bit of sand round, but that's all. And the shiny mould is just so shiny. Okay, on to the next one. Now this is the one I put the tattoo in. I cut up a large tattoo and put some little rosebuds in this one. That pink is Resin Egg pink. It's a gorgeous pink, absolutely adorable, such a sweet shade. Goes well with those red roses as well. Now I was thinking of putting the tattoos in the matte mould. I don't think it would work very well because the tattoos need a completely solid background to stick to. But when a matte mould is matte, it's kind of ruffled, and I didn't think it would work, so I didn't do it with a matte mould. It might work, but I haven't tried it. But I'm trying out all these colours. It's a great way of trying colours as well. Bought quite a few colours the other day. It's nice to try them out. this is Extra Light Purple from Just For You Online UK, and it is a very subtle colour. It's more white than purple, but it has got a tint to it. It's lovely. Again, I've got to do the bubble removing. And as I've got some left over, let's have some stars and a carrot again. I never waste resin, always got moulds on hand. And a little flame to get rid of surface bubbles. Just a quick dash over. Okay, 24 hours later then, and I can demould. It's a beautiful colour. It's so pale, but there is a hint of a colour. It's gorgeous. Little shiny carrot. I've been really looking forward to demoulding this one. I think this might be my favourite. It's gorgeous, in my opinion. So this is the last one I've put in for now. I will show you all the others at the end on a Rogues Gallery photo shoot. And this one I decided to go with yellow. Now I didn't want to do just a plain yellow, so I thought I'll do a misty outlook yellow, where the yellow has thickened up and will not completely mingle with the clear. I didn't want it completely solid and different. I wanted it to give a misty effect. Here's the yellow then. It's thickened up. You can see it's thickened up. It's been about 45 minutes to an hour, and as it's cascade, it's got a very long working time. Now I could have left it as it was. It still would have mingled a little, but I decided to just blow it around a bit and then move it with my stick. So I'm heating it up just to give it a little bit more movement. And with a micro brush, I'm just going to move it around just to get it in places where I'd like it. It hasn't cured up enough not to mix at all, so I know it will mix a little to give it a misty effect. And this is after a couple of hours. You can see how it has mixed slightly. Couple of bubbles there that I've got to pop, but I thought I'd give you a close-up view of what I was trying to achieve. And this is 24 hours later. Demoulding time. Love demoulding day. It looks totally different with a matte mould than it does with a shiny mould. But I could top coat this and make it shiny if I wanted to. I've got the option. And this is the shiny one. That's sweet. The bunny rabbits. There's bunny rabbits everywhere. They kind of exploded. I made, I think, 10 in total. I just couldn't stop making them. I just wanted to do them over and over. They're such lovely moulds, both of them. The matte mould, which is this mould, I'll show you the white one because it is matte, is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it's in 2 parts and you can stand it up. The little pieces that come with it, i.e. the carrots and the stars, they are adorable. And yeah, it's really lovely mould. It doesn't take much resin either because it's quite thin, but it's lovely and sturdy. It doesn't fall over or anything. The other mould is a shiny mould, and this is my favourite. I absolutely adore that. I love the pink, I love the flowers. That was just a big big tattoo that I cut up into pieces and put the flowers on there, and I've top coated it because I wanted them to be sealed in. Even though it was a shiny mould, I still top coated it. And even with the matte mould, I still made one shiny by top coating it with UV resin with that one, and they're just adorable. They're absolutely adorable. I love them. This one I top coated because I put silver around the back and the edges, and I wanted it to be sealed in, so I top coated it to make sure it was sealed in, although I didn't need to be honest. That pen I used, I don't know if it was on the video, I videoed everything that I did and I just cut bits up to put in the main video. And I don't know if I showed you the pen that I used, but it's amazing. I will link everything in the description below. I just wanted to show you these because it's Easter. It's an Easter mould, and I didn't know they were available until recently, and I found them on Etsy, and I'm so glad I got them. I'll put their links in the description down below. I'll also put their stickers up on my board. And yeah, I hope you have a nice Easter. I'll be back again on Tuesday, and have a nice week, and I'll put loads of steals up at the end. I hope you enjoy looking through them. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.